All right, here we got that big brake kit. Camaro ZL1 from Monaco Motorsports. Never heard of this brand before, but this looks like Signature Works to me. Alibaba, but these look nice. And these come with brake pads. No real bullshit here. These are new calipers. These are from Brembo, where they should be. Got serial numbers. These are the bigger 90-degree mounts. Comes with these guys. Made in China. Brake lines. Who better to trust? People talk a lot in the forums about these, and I guess people talk a lot of shit, but I've never heard of anyone failing, and some people actually track these, and I don't really care. I'm in it for looks. I don't really care. All these guys, they think they're like some aerospace engineer or something, so I don't really care what they say. So we're gonna replace these guys on the competition because they're so ugly and they're 15 years old. So gonna jack it up right now. I think this is gonna take 2 to 3 hours. And yep, Saturday morning we're gonna start on this. All right, 1 month review. Monaco Motorsports. These things fit like a fucking glove. It took exactly 4 weeks to get them. Everything bolted straight in, no issues, stops fine. You know, I felt so good about it that I threw away all the old shit. You know, people try to sell it, but no one's buying that shit. I just threw it all away. Went in, no problem. I didn't have a single issue. Everything fit like it was stock. It was pretty incredible. The green really sticks out a lot. Probably should do some black wheels. Came with the pads, came with everything. All I needed to do was buy a jug of brake fluid, and everything went right in. So thanks to these guys. There was no reviews online, so I was kind of taking a chance, but like I said before, I just figured it was one of those Alibabas, which it might be. But they're OEM GM brakes, the ZL1s. So if for some reason you have an issue with the rotor, you could just go buy the Giro discs or whatever, and all the other stuff is legit. And yeah, the little radial drill out thing, it's all super clean. So yeah, I'm really happy with it.